guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be exploring this abandoned train or bus, whatever you call it, in this pub area. Pretty sure it's abandoned, I don't know. Hasn't been used for a while. Let's have a look. So that's it. There. I think everything's wrecked and stuff. Like it. There.
Don't do that because you can't see. You gotta hold still.
And here.
Otherwise, people aren't gonna watch the video, mate.
Okay. That's inside. We'll start from the front.
Hello?
Okay.
Everybody hold.
So this is the area. Fans and stuff is working. That microwave and
What
stuff.
food out in there?
And now, yeah.
What are the people?
Wait, what is that?
It's a button.
So then, close this.
We did.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Target sign right there. Why is that door swinging, bro? Let's go around here. Move back. Yo.
This is a bandit. This is a bandit. A burden.
That's supposed to train.
They even go to the bandit.
Shut up. That. So that's it just then. This is the outside and stuff. Got a window here. So that's inside. It's got some writing, PC New South Wales. Yeah. We actually are so scared, both of us, me and my brother.
We heard it.
We heard something moving in there. I don't know if like anyone's living in there right now. It used to be like a breakfast or lunch and dinner area, like cafe or something.
And
Pretty
guess
sure
what?
it's abandoned right now.
The fridge is literally working. Someone has to live in there right now.
Yeah.
Let the door.
That's it. There's a big shed here.
We're gonna go back inside now to see what it's like.
Let's go have a check. Let's check it out inside. I'm pretty sure here's the kitchen. Oven and stuff. See if it fit. Oh, I got flour and baking stuff here. Bro, we heard that door moving, bro. The door's creaking. Right. That door's creepy, bro. Why is there a Target sign right there?
Are you supposed to be in there?
Yeah, sure, come in. Alright, this is it. Close. Like freezers and stuff in there.
Hey. Yeah, there.
Out of there. Olivia, come on, out.
It's just like the kitchen or something.
Always a bad influence.
Come on, out.
Yes.
No. Run.
Perfect. We'll bring the trunk back over here.
No, Sam, stop.
That is in.
No.
You do.
That's the first one.
Yeah, I actually.
Oven. It's not. Little weighing thingy. Fridge. That's a sign. Spin it.
Coupling off that one, and then we can do it, boys.
Windows are shut for some reason. That's just
There was a fitting laying right beside the tap, but it doesn't fucking screw into the big cup.
fridge. It's old.
It doesn't have a screw in it, it has a thing on it. I made the fucking the opposite way.
Yeah, I'm just gonna back up.
The big clip that'll
Yeah, so this used to be a
the one
train.
that'll clip onto the main hose. So I took that off, brought it up there, and then we screw straight off.
Alright guys, there's no way that I'm exploring the whole thing. I'm creeped out, I'm hearing creaks and stuff, noises. I feel like this train is like probably like 20 years old. No cap. Like absolutely nothing. Like look at this, it's like dump right here. Everything's dirty and stuff. There's our car parked right there. Yeah, they have solar panels on there.
Wait, that can open.
Bro, guy, I actually don't know if we're gonna finish this video right now. Bro, look at this. Got some sort of hole down there. Look at all the rust, bro.
Let's go back inside.
Bro, this can open. Just open that lock. Stuff. Bro, they have it.
Door open.
Bro, look. There's that fridge. That's that fridge. And like, here's
Is anyone there?
energy stuff.
Hello?
Yeah. Bro, guys, we had to pull, get out of the video. Someone just answered us that it's working or not. Like, honestly, like, we're at the mines right now. There is, look right there. Right there. It's crazy. Look, all the broken other stuff. Yeah. Someone's like living here or something. Bro, my brother just went in there. Bro, I'm pretty sure that's a house on top of the shed. Yo, you see right there? Gas tanks. Gas tanks and a door right there. Something's up.
You can hear something.
We got gas tanks here. Yo guys, if we die, like and subscribe, and then we're there. We're just there for it. But I'm right now, like say, like a person comes, I'll be full on like bolting out of this town, bro. Bolting. Yeah. Pretty sure, guys, we're not gonna finish this video. Might do some for you guys. Look, broken window right there. Right there. Got to use a panel. There's little scratches everywhere, bro. Take some pictures and show you guys after the video. And yeah, like look, window open. I'm pretty sure someone's broken into this. Like extra wood panel, extra metal panels. Oh hell no! The door is open, guys. When we came, the door was closed. It's just creaking.
I heard footsteps. I heard footsteps.
Guys, there's someone definitely in there. No cap. Like, look, we got a little bug in there. And look, like a tank. Guys, this is actually really scary. Look, like even like a broken chair. There was thorn scratches, marks, creaks everywhere we went. Rust, mold, spider webs everywhere. And like, we heard footsteps, bro. It's crazy. No way, no way. Look at this, look at this.
If you go back in replay, we saw this was closed.
Yo, guys,
It's all Christmas stuff.
we just opened this. Bro, this has to be someone's house. Bro, like, what, you got eskies and stuff in there, like, guys, I'm sure someone's living in here, bro. Actual no cap. Probably see if we can open this.
This one.
Yeah, what? Oh yeah, that's probably this one. Yeah. So we just need to unlock this.
Oh shit.
Bro, guys, we just opened that.
And it goes into the house.
That's a house right there, bro. Oh no, wait. That's inside
Yeah,
the
that's
inside the shed.
the train.
The train, I mean. That's all the freezers we saw. Comment what you think about this. I reckon we should be like scared to hell right now. Oh hell no! Look at this. Someone dug there. Like that. Go back and replay, and that's all the freezers that we saw back. Like how. Guys, like look at
Bro,
all
this
that.
is crazy.
That
Hello?
like go back. My brother's just saying hello there, bro.
Hello?
Bro, I'm pretty
I heard footsteps.
sure this place is abandoned, bro. Like it used to be like a breakfast thing. Like I'm pretty sure, like this pub. Like I'll Google and I'll tell you guys later in the comments that this pub would be like
Do not come to the
something
sheep
years
yard.
old.
Do not come to the sheep yard.
Like, look, there's windows here. The sheep yard's 2. The sheep yard 6.
This is
Why? Plus, there's this chair. Like, look, that's that fan that we saw. Watch this video, pause, and you would see so much stuff. Like, it's actually, like, scaring here. Pitch black. Like, nearly pitch black. Only the windows you could see. Oh, look, there's a dog right. A blue heeler.
He looks like Bandit.
A dog right there. Drinking and this. That's, like, messed up. Guys, can you hear that? Guys, something's up there, bro. Noises everywhere. Look, there's a door right there, bro.
That's news.
Bro, I'm about to show you something scary, bro. This is so new. Like, you can tell it's so liquidy.
and bring.
Like, look. Bro, look, guys, look like right there, bro. Bro, something's up. Something's up. Inside. That's probably their second or first kitchen. I have actually no idea. Like, look at this. This is all the power and stuff. And hot water. Stuff. Don't open it, mate. Bro.
How did this train get here?
Yeah. The door right there. Yeah. Alright. So guys, like and subscribe.
And then we.
And
and
if
we
you
will
want
go
more
in.
of this, we'll find some and we'll give you some more. Comment down below what you think about this. Like the video and subscribe. Love you guys. JTY and KWX out.